Red Rider here, and a little update with what's been happening with my life is that I've been super busy doing my own things in life. You know, this is more like a side hobby type of channel. But recently we had the old Red Rider finally give out on us. It was last week Saturday, which was the first Saturday of May. I was coming from out of town, and the car decided to shut down completely on the road as I was driving. The steering wheel got super hard. I lost all ability in the pedals to just accelerate or brake, and I had to steer off to the side with the steering wheel obviously super hard. Luckily nothing bad happened to me and my little sister at the time when we were in the car. When I opened the hood, there was smoke coming out from the side, and the coolant reservoir was brown. You can see that right there, that I took stuff out, checked the coolant, and it's green. It has this little bit of oil. When I grab it, there's some oil. I'll show a video right now of it. And I checked the oil as well. The oil seemed good. It was just the coolant that had a little bit of like oil in it. Spark plugs I also checked were perfectly good. So right now what I'm gonna pretty much is clean out the reservoir, because as you can see, well, there's a bit of rust in there. So I'm gonna clean that one out and remove that, change everything. Right now at this point, I'm gonna just have the car sitting on extended leave, and I'm gonna just be working on it, rebuilding anything. If I did blow a head gasket, I'm gonna replace that as well, check everything and make sure it's good. Could be just the starter, it could be a whole bunch of things, but we're just gonna slowly take a look at everything, clean everything out, and have this puppy running back and good, and hopefully soon. I'm not gonna say when, because I don't know exactly what it is. Could be the head gasket, could be something completely different. Maybe just the thermostat itself that overheated, and that's why I shut down the whole vehicle. But yeah, we're gonna do all that. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a quick update of what I've been doing and where I've been. And the car was running perfectly fine. I even bought new spark plugs and ignition wires. But sadly, this happened. But hey, that's stuff will happen because it's an old car. So we're just gonna see what we can do, and hopefully, hope for the best. Pray to God that we can one day have her running back again. But only time will tell. So yeah, just a quick little update, guys. I'll see you guys around, and stay safe. All right, guys. So we got some good news. So I was able to turn the engine crank, and the engine does move completely, so we are good to go on that. So what I'm doing now is gonna replace all the cooling system. I'm gonna replace the radiator fan assembly, thermostat, and right now I'm cleaning out the reservoir, because I was looking online for a coolant reservoir, but there's none exactly like this. They're all square or flat. So I just cleaned this one all out, clean complete, as you can see. And I'm cleaning out the reservoir cap over here. Where is it at? I don't know when I'm gonna upload all this. I'm just gonna make it into one big part, but I'm cleaning that out. Still a little dirty on the inside. I'm trying to clean all that out, all the gunk out, all the rust, and we're gonna slowly fix it up. So yeah, just a quick little update of what's happening right now.